Arog na lang kaya.
Like the birds in sweet harmony.
Mayo. Nung
I never heard before.
Kami mo po tatandaan na gabos na oras ko, buong buo ko po tinataw sa imo. Kiligaw doon ay.
May agos ka na. Yaon lang kami. Mag-irit ka na.
Found you. I found you. It felt like a breeze.
Mayo nga akong ibang sasabihin mo. Aram ko. Kaya nag-abot kita sa araw. Sa sitwasyon na araw kong dahil pabayan lang.
I never knew.
Unang nagkakilala tayo. Nung college days pa. Nagkakailangan pa tayo noon mag-usap kaya hanggang eye-to-eye contact lang.
Flowing forever. Endlessly. When I found you. I found you. When I found I found
Before, ganun yung setup natin. And then, nung 2023, inad mo ako sa Facebook.
Paano ka?
Siyempre, accept kita. Kasi alam ko na dahil doon, sa eye-to-eye contact, napapansin ko na may gusto ka sa akin.
Wala. Hi guys, welcome to my wedding.
the plans we made and chances we take. I feel everything more with you. Quiet confidence and trusting every step. And we know that our faith will get us through. It's so obvious, forever calling us. And this time we won't wait and wonder anymore. When the morning breaks, we won't hesitate. It's the first day, it's the first page. Our story starts here. Our story starts here. Before our eyes, now we find it all becomes so clear. Our story starts here. Our story, 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 our story.
Magra-rides tayo kasama si Cleo at aabutin natin sabay ang mga pangarap natin.
Palagi mo sanang tandaan. Yeah! na di kita iiwat kahit anong mangyari. I love you so much, baby.
Palagi mong tatandaan, mamahalin kita habang buhay. Alagaan kita kahit minsan may toyo ka. I love you so much, baby. Madangat takang
Our story starts here.